Creating a layout. To create a layout, click Tools on the top menu, then Layout Definitions. Under Layout Definitions, you can edit your existing layouts or create a new layout. Let's create a new layout. To do so, click Layout, then New Layout. We then want to give this layout a name. I'm going to call this one Recall. I can then choose to make a layout for a specific device. I am going to leave this set to no preference for now. I change the background color of my layout if I choose here. Under the Based On option, I can create a new layout based on one that I have already created to save time. Then the last option is Layout Type. You can either have a grid layout or a layout with free-floating tiles. Once you have your option selected, just click OK. Now we need to add some tiles to our layout. To add tiles, click one of the three buttons in the lower right corner. I am going to be using the vertical and horizontal tiles here. For this layout, I am going to take 6 X-rays, 4 bite wings, and 2 PAs. So I am going to need 2 vertical tiles and 4 horizontal tiles. Once I have my tiles, I can select and then click and drag these tiles into position. Once you have your tiles where you would like them, you can then set a capture sequence now. To do so, click the Capture Sequence button here. Then click the boxes in the order you would like to capture them. The next recommended option is to set the source for this template. To do so, click the Set Tile Source button here. I'm going to set this to Sensor. This will then prompt me to select the sensor I would like to use for this layout when I go to use it later. If we want to add tooth numbers to these tiles, we can do so by first selecting the tile we want to add tooth numbering for. Then we click the Tile Options button here. Then, under Tooth Associations, we select the corresponding teeth that will be shown in this box. Once you are done selecting your teeth, just click OK. I also want to note that if you want to use this layout to create a new template, but in a different capture sequence, just edit the capture sequence and then click Layout, then Save As. Just assign the layout a new name, and you will then have the same layout, but with a different capture sequence. Once you are done editing your layout, just click the Done button. This concludes our video on how to create layouts and setting your capture sequence.